In this video, I am going to show you how to create clean, smooth, infinite cursor using simple CSS technique. You will see the effect in logo sliders, product sliders, and the cool part is you can build it with just HTML and CSS. So let's start with basic structure. First, we need a container, the cursor. Inside it, we place a few cards. I have added numbers so we can see which card comes first and last. But here is the important part. We wrap all these cards inside another element called group cards. This extra wrapper is what makes the animation work. In CSS, I give the cursor a border and some basic CSS. Now for the group cards, we apply display text so all cards line up horizontally. This overflow is exactly what we need for horizontal scrolling animation. Next, the cursor gets overflow X auto. This allows horizontal scrolling and we hide the scroll bar to keep things clean. Remember, overflow goes on the cursor, not the group. The group is what moves. The cursor just clips the content. Now let's animate the group. We created a keyframe animation called spin, which start translate x0 and ends with -100. This moves the entire group from its starting position to completely off-screen left. Then we apply this animation to group cards. For 5 seconds, time linear and infinite repeat. Now the group slides out and snaps back to start. To make the animation seamless, we duplicate the group in HTML. So now we have group 1 and group 2. We add area header to the second one. Now in the browser, you will see the group 1 sliding out while group 2 slides in. When the animation resets, the two groups align. So the user never sees the jump. But one more issue, the cards have gap between them, but the group don't. If you add gap on the cursor, the animation breaks. You will notice a tiny jump at every loop. So the correct fix is add padding right on each card. This creates spacing inside the card itself. And because this padding is a part of flex item, it includes the animation's 100% width. Now the infinite loop becomes perfectly smooth. Now quick note. The card uses this shorthand flex 005M. A lot of beginners find this confusing, but simply means don't grow, don't shrink, and width of 5em. And that's it. You can create a clean, smooth infinite cursor in pure CSS. If you learn something new, hit like and I will see you in the next video.